Do you feel like you're getting nowhere with Google Analytics 4? Well, it's not you, it's Google. Or at least the way they've rolled out the platform without a whole lot of useful support documentation. The good thing is, we've built a way to fix that. And so for more on this concept, be sure to visit ddu.ai/CYA after watching this video. Now, before I dive deep into our CYA blueprint, let me give you a little background context. Our team has been digging into the nooks and crannies of GA4, studying every screen, and documenting every process we could find so you don't have to spend hours doing the same thing for your own GA4 account. And we've already documented the most common and useful processes in GA4 step by step, taking screenshots along the way. And we want to pass that knowledge on to you so you can get to join the top 1% of the most skilled GA4 users. And our goal is to help you set up GA4 exactly the way you want while saving you time and hassle. And to get started, I want to share with you 3 secrets that will help you get on the fast track to having that top 1% expertise. Secret number 1 is you can install GA4 yourself with our proven processes. Now, with GA4 being so new and official support documentation lacking in detailed instructions, you're kind of on your own, right? Well, until now. We've created a simple and easy to follow process that you can use to help you migrate to GA4 the right way. And our team has documented 100 step-by-step GA4 processes filled with screenshots that you can use for daily, weekly, and monthly GA4 tasks. These processes cover things like campaign tracking, e-commerce reporting, tagging, debugging, dashboards, integrations, and specific setups for specific platforms. And you can use these same processes to align your marketing campaigns with your business revenue goals with minimal hassle. And now these are available for purchase on our datadrivenyou.com website, and we'll be having a dedicated video talking about these processes in the future on our YouTube channel as well. The second secret is that a fresh start is the only way forward with GA4, and here's why. Most universal analytics installations have bad data. Now, I've been in over 1,000 GA accounts, and they all have problems. Things like goals being set up wrong, internal traffic not being filtered out, cross-domain tracking issues, no campaign tracking, data gaps, data losses, data corruption, and even seeing personally identifiable information in reports. Not good, no bueno, okay? So instead of trying to replicate your UA setup report by report, we have an opportunity to start fresh with a clean slate and get this right for the first time. And your new GA4 setup can make things easier. You can collect events automatically, you can turn events into conversions, you can put privacy first, simplify the implementation of tracking codes, and even customize your reporting for the first time ever. And that's why we're so excited about GA4, is that you can use it as a fresh start to do things the right way. Okay, secret number 3 is you have what it takes to become a top 1% user. So finally, let me talk about the elephant in the room. Why are there millions of businesses out there that are ignoring GA4 until the last minute? Well, number 1, they just don't know what to do with it. And number 2, there's a lack of certified GA4 experts in the world right now. It's just that new. And support documentation is that thin. And new features are being added all the time. That's where I see a huge opportunity though, and a choice. You can either 1, wait and see what happens, or 2, take control and scale up on GA4 so you can help those companies bring more value to the marketplace and get compensated for it. And if you're choosing to do the latter, we're giving you a way to do exactly that. And that's why we're introducing the CYA blueprint from Data Driven. Now, I think the small class format is the best way for you to learn GA4 skills and gain the expertise that the marketplace wants. And so we have introduced our new GA4 Cover Your Assets Blueprint for Busy Marketers course that runs live with expert instructors. Now, unfortunately, the first workshop we offered sold out in under 2 hours, but we'll be offering them again in the future, and so let me share some details in case this is interesting to you. Okay, so first of all, we deliver this program via live video meetings in a small group format. Each session lasts 90 minutes plus 30 minutes of Q&A, where we focus on a progression of GA4 topics from beginner, foundations to intermediate topics. We cover things like strategic approaches to GA4, setting up enhanced measurement and parallel tracking, customizing your reports and interface to fit your needs, events and conversion tracking, and even things like custom funnels and predictive analytics and other exciting reports that are brand new in GA4. Now, our students will also get a certificate of completion when they finish the blueprint program. This tax-deductible training can be used to get reimbursement from employers and to showcase your newly learned GA4 skills to your company or your clients. Okay, so I know this is a lot to take in, so let me wrap it up here with a too long didn't watch summary. Many of us are upset with Google for announcing the end of a widely used product in Universal Analytics and replacing it with one that is dramatically different. So our team dug into GA4 to see what the fuss was all about. And we've learned a lot about what we can accomplish using GA4 to measure our marketing campaigns. We believe this knowledge will be a valuable and marketable skill for you for the rest of this decade. And so we wanted to pass that knowledge on, and based on my teaching experience, I find that delivering these courses in a small group, live format works best. And after each student successfully completes the CYA blueprint, they get a certificate of completion that they can showcase their expertise in GA4 to their employer or their clients on their LinkedIn, anywhere they want to go. And if you want to learn more or join a future CYA program, you can do that at ddu.ai/CYA to get on the wait list. By signing up on that page, you'll be the first to know when registration opens again. And once again, that's ddu.ai/CYA.